Hey there viewers, welcome to the channel. We're going to do the oil change on the Civic today. To get started, we're going to remove the oil fill cap. This also shows you the oil viscosity type that this vehicle takes. Put that over here to the side. Now we're going to go underneath. Alright, we are under the vehicle. We have to get this splash guard off. It requires a straight bladed screwdriver and a Phillips screwdriver to get all these screws off around here to get this splash guard on to access the oil filter and the drain plug. Here's a look of these are just twists and they come out. These are actually screws. When I put back these in, I'll put a little dab of anti-seize on them so they don't lock up in there. Once the splash guard is down, that'll give you access to your drain plug, which is right here. It's a 17 millimeter, and it also gives you access to your oil filter, which is right here. So we're going to start draining and then we'll take the oil filter off. Okay, get your catch pan, 17 millimeter wrench, let's crack it loose. Keep draining it. Here's your drain plug and your washer. We're going to put a new one of those on there. Alright, so that's down to a slow drip. Wipe that off. I put a new washer on here. Put the drain plug back in. Like that. Tighten it up to 30 foot-pounds. That's it. Now we'll go over to the filter. Gonna use the cup wrench, a little extension, 3/8 ratchet. I'll get the filter off. Let that drain for a minute. There, I'll bring you in so you can see where the filter sits. Here's where your filter sits. Clean all that off. And I'll put the filter up there. I can give it a little bit of a pre-lube with the oil. Fill it up. Some people do this. Some people don't do this. We're going to fill it up a little bit here. Take some of the clean oil that's here. Just get a little seal around the gasket. And we'll go put this in the car. Screw it on up in there. I like to go just till the gasket touches, and then one complete turn. You don't need to kill this thing. That's on there. Now we'll reinstall our splash guard, putting the anti-seize on those screws like I said, and we'll go back up top and fill it up. Okay, so we are back up top side, fill this up. We did add a little oil to the filter. This car I believe holds 4.2 something. We're going to put 4 quarts in it. We're going to run it and check it. Alright, that should be good. Now we're going to start the car, back it off the ramps, and check the level. Alright, so let's give it a check. I already know it's going to take more, so I took the cap off. And yeah, it's right here, and it's supposed to be up here. So it is probably going to take that whole other quart. So let's get that and add it in. Let's top this up, recheck it. Then we're going to go inside the car and reset the maintenance minder light for this. Reset it to 100%. Alright, that's full. Let's check it again. Alright, that did it. It brought it right up to the full mark there. So you're good. Put this all back together. I'll wipe real quick. Now we're going to go inside and reset the oil minder light. Alright, get into the car. Okay, we're going to press this twice. Dash the light up. Hood's up. Dismiss. 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 Going to the maintenance using this one. You have to use the home button. Use this button to scroll to maintenance. You're going to press on that. Press that. Now you're going to press this button again and hold it down. And then you'll get the maintenance reset. And this, all items due, items A, item 1, item 2, item 3. We'll do all items due. Press this button. That'll blink blue. It'll say reset completed. And now your oil life is at 100%. So that's it. That's a wrap.